So hello everyone. So we have come to the Jain's Hostel 1, which is one of the oldest hostel of our MKC Medical College Barampur. So in this hostel there is a very big temple of Sri Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra. So we are having the Rath Yatra at 4 p.m. So because it's COVID lockdown, so the Ratha will go inside this hostel premise only, and we have make that Gundicha temple inside a room. So in some time like 4 o'clock we will sing the whole Rath Yatra festival, how it is occurring in a medical hostel at Barampur, that is Jain's Hostel 1, which is the popular hostel of MKCG. So we'll come just see the Ratha of this Nandighosh Ratha that our juniors, that all the juniors of GH1 they have prepared. You can just come in, you can see this whole Ratha, how beautifully they have done this every year since like 2015 onwards. 2015 like yes, yes, from 2015 onwards this Rath Yatra in MKC Medical College it's going on. So you can come and show the Ratha. This is the Ratha where Jagannath will be going to the Gundicha temple in medical hostel premises. In all over India I don't know where Jagannath temple is there, but in our college MKC Medical College we have a very good Jagannath temple, and in some time we'll also show all the deities, that is Lord Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra, and also see the Snana Mandap. You can come and see the Snana Mandap. This is the Ratha, this Nandighosh Ratha. You can see how beautifully they have decorated. Our juniors of MKC Medical College, Jain's Hostel 1. You can come. So this whole area, this is the park that is means maintained by all this GH1 people. This is the whole park area. There are many fountains is also here, and here the many many flower plants are here. Tulsi plant is here, and many plants are here. This is a garden type for Lord Jagannath. This is a garden has been built up. I can come little more. So go to the Snana Mandap. So this is the Snana Mandap. This is Snana Mandap also. So all the GH1 people, they have made the temple very beautiful. This is the left side is temple, and this side is the Snana Mandap you can see, and the festival is also conducted. So today at 4 p.m. the whole live festival will be going to conducted. So we'll see how the festival is going on. So you can see this is the this is the whole the temple premises. I'll just come inside. Can you go inside the temple? It is allowed. You can come. Bring the camera inside. So you can see how decorated it is. The people they have decorated very nicely. So you can come inside. You can show all the deities. You can see. So this is the preparation that is going on. Different types of flowers. They have made garland for Lord Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra. So all this be done by all the doctors. That is all the undergraduate people of our college MKCG. You can show the deities, the beautiful deities. You can show. You come closer. Yes, we can see how beautiful they are. So the GH1 people, they are keeping the hostel in a very good way, and you can see how beautiful they are decorated and how clean and how beautiful the deities are, how beautiful they are decorated. You can see. So this is the love of GH1 people towards our Lord Jagannath, our cultural heritage towards the Odisha. I am really proud of all the GH1 people. You can see Lord Jagannath. So Haribol everyone, we are now at the Jain's Hostel 1 for the Rath Yatra ceremony. I will just show you how the Rath Yatra in a medical college Barampur that is taking place every year. In our college we celebrate this Rath Yatra on this day. So like Puri, the cart is not like that much big like Puri, but it's a very good cart, and it's prepared by Jain's Hostel 1. All undergraduate, our juniors, they are doing this. Let's see how the live Rath Yatra is taking place. You can see. Because of COVID lockdown, it's only inside the hostel. Before you used to take the Ratha to a different place where there is a Gundicha temple. But on this day, because of COVID lockdown, we will be celebrating this inside the hostel only. And the Gundicha temple has been built up in a, inside a room. So we'll be taking the Ratha to a room and we'll be celebrating, we'll be seeing the whole session. Yes, this is Snana Mandap where Lord Jagannath take the form of, Lord Ganesha. So let's see the whole area. This is the Mridanga, and this is the carvings of Lord Jagannath that has been painted by Barampur Municipality Corporation. You can see the Lord Jagannath's painting, and like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also there. So now I will show you the garden of Lord Jagannath in the Jain's Hostel 1 of our medical college. You can see these are the plants that has been planted by all these hostelites of this Jain's Hostel 1, which is one of the oldest hostel of this MKC Medical College. You can see there are many different varieties of plants and flowering plants also. This is the Snana Mandap. We just saw the Snana Mandap. Yes, I will show you again. This is the Snana Mandap, and I am making you the parikrama of this whole area. This is the Tulsi plant also in the parikrama area. So this is the whole parikrama area. You can see this is a different plants. This is the hostel area, whole premises area. So these are the plants for Lord Jagannath. These are many plants. Fruit plants, flower plants. So the fruits and flowers from this place goes to Lord Jagannath. These are some of the different plants you can see. So when anyone, you know, gets stressed of their duties or any stressful activities, they come to here. This is the Tulsi Maharani. You can see how beautiful Tulsi Maharani looking here. So it has been fully maintained by all the doctors, you know, of this medical college. These are the whole plantation area of this hospital. So now I will take you the place where we celebrate our August 15 and January 26, that is the Independence Day and the Republic Day. So this is the place where we gather in these days, these most two auspicious days of India. We gather all the hostel people, we gather here and we celebrate these 2 days in this area. So inside our hostel, this is the fountain area where this is a symbol of the doctors. So this is the fountain area. At the evening time, this fountain lightens up and the waters come from this fountain and it looks really beautiful at the So now the yajna is completed and now the prasad is being ready to offer to the chariot of Lord Jagannath. So these are the prasads that are getting ready now. This is the whole yajna place. The yajna just now it completed and we all are now excited to pull the ratha. Whole area is yajna area. You can see a look of this area of the yajna of this hostel. So we are ready. These are the flowers that are ready to offer to Lord Jagannath. So this is the cart now ready. Let's see the prasad that Lord Jagannath will be offered. These are the sweets. You can see different varieties of cakes and different varieties of fruits and how many types of sweets have been prepared. There are many types of fruits and cakes, flowers, fruits, you can see etc. that have been prepared for Lord Jagannath by all our hostel mates. You can see all of this. So the Bhaina, he's now offering it to all. Yes, now the rope to pull Lord Jagannath is now ready and we all are excited now. Let's see.
जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी जय जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ
तेरा क्वाड लेके जाओ देखो भाई जीएसटी ରୁ ଆସିଥିଲୁ ପୂଜା କରିବା ପାଇଁ କଣ ଆସିଥିଲା जीएसटी ରୁ ଭୋଗ ଆସିଥିଲା କଣ ଆସିଥିଲା जीएसटी ରୁ ଭୋଗ ଆରେ କଣ ଆସିଥିଲା କଦଳୀ ଆସିଥିଲା ଫୁଲମାଳ ଆସିଥିଲା ଦୀପ ଆସିଥିଲା ତ ଭୋଗ କରିକି ଏବେ जीएसटी ଧରିକି ଯାଉ
जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ, जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ, जय बल